In the year 1996, on the night of November 2nd, around 8 to 9 p.m., Detective Robert Harrison received a phone call that would lead to the investigation of a murder. Robert, now accustomed to solving such dark crimes, was a 43-year-old detective with over 21 years of experience. Having brought more than 50 murders to light in his career, the voice on the other end of the phone, with a concerned tone, said, "Mr. Harrison, you need to come immediately. A murder has taken place at Mercywood Manor." Detective Harrison swiftly prepared and headed for the scene. Upon arrival, the mansion was swarming with police officers and detectives. The victim was Edward Mercywood, a wealthy businessman. Harrison began examining the evidence at the crime scene. There were several potential suspects at Mercywood Manor. Since Edward Mercywood had made many enemies in the business world, using the clues around the body, security camera footage, and witness statements, he gathered information on the night of the murder. Several individuals had been present at the mansion. Detective Robert Harrison, with his experience, started to unravel the mystery. He believed that the murder might be connected to the enmity Edward Mercywood had in the business world. He meticulously questioned each potential suspect and verified their alibis, but new evidence and suspects kept emerging. One day, Detective Harrison's attention was drawn to the security camera footage from Mercywood Manor. A figure was seen prowling around the mansion on the night of the murder, but their face was not caught on camera. Harrison intensified his efforts to uncover the identity of this mysterious person. After hours of working tirelessly to solve this complex murder, Detective Robert Harrison was on the verge of unraveling the mystery. The moment to lift the veil on the secrets behind the murder was approaching. Harrison made a final push to solve the case. He scrutinized various sources to identify the person captured on the security camera. Eventually, he discovered that the mysterious figure was a former business partner who had a long-standing rivalry with Edward Mercywood. It was revealed that the former business partner had gone to the mansion that night to settle their disputes with Mercywood. However, their confrontation escalated, leading to Edward Mercywood's death. Detective Harrison apprehended the mysterious person and revealed the details of the murder. Finally, the complex case at Mercywood Manor was solved, and the former business partner confessed to the crime, facing justice. Detective Robert Harrison's belief in the delivery of justice in the city was reaffirmed as he solved this intricate murder. His unwavering dedication and sharp intellect had once again contributed to making the city a safer place. Continuing his fight against crime, Harrison, with years of experience and determination, tackled many challenging cases, reducing the crime rate in the city. While relentlessly pursuing justice, his hard work and intelligence consistently proved victorious. Detective Robert Harrison remained known as a dedicated detective who had devoted his life to catching criminals and upholding justice, leaving a lasting mark in the memories of those he served. We've all come to understand that in life, the only person we can truly rely on is ourselves. And the detective proverb you mentioned remains the same. The key to secrets is to keep your eyes and mind open. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss the next videos.